Look what just came in the mail. This is the Fine Dine 10-piece mixing bowl set. It comes with 5 stainless steel bowls and 5 lids too. And let's open it up so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, all the lids are packaged individually as well as the bowls too. Perfect. That way it's not going to get damaged during shipment. Now let's open it up so you can see what it looks like. Wow, look how nice this looks. This is great for cooking, baking, mixing, meal prepping, and of course storage too. And these are so lightweight but durable too. And these also have a flat bottom for more stability. And these are also freezer safe, dishwasher safe as well, and they're also perfect to store in the refrigerator. These are also shatterproof and it has airtight lids. Beautiful. And you're going to be receiving 5 of these mixing bowls in 3/4 quart, 1 quart, 1.5 quart, 3 quarts, and 5 quarts. Let me show you a close-up of what they look like. This is what the 3/4 quart bowl looks like, and it also says it right on the bottom what the measurement is. This is the 1 quart bowl. Beautiful. And this is the size of the 1.5 quart. Do you notice how nice and deep these are? And this is the 3 quart bowl, perfect for all your cooking and mixing needs. And this is what the 5 quart bowl looks like. And it's very deep, and I'm going to enjoy using this for many years to come. And these are what the lids look like. As you notice, they have these 2 areas on the side for ease of use. Perfect. And this is how easy it is to use the lid. You just secure it into place, and then it becomes airtight. And it's very easy to remove just by lifting off the edge. And I really like that these bowls are nestable. So you're able to nest them inside each other. That way it's not going to take up a lot of room inside your cabinet. And you can even put the lids on too. Perfect. These are so elegant and durable and so practical too. Perfect for all your cooking needs. Thank you, Fine Dine, for sending these to me, and hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.